Hello everyone, let's quickly show you on how you can hide and delete objects in Meshmixer. So as you can see, as of the moment, I have a lot of objects on my project right here. So if you want to delete some or hide some, it's as easy as navigating through view. And basically you just want to make sure that the show objects browser is enabled. So just click on this option, or as a shortcut, you could use the Control Shift O, which will then open up the objects browser. So in our case, let's then hide this head objects from my project. So it's going to be this one. You could also click on this objects individually, and then it will be highlighted on the objects browser. So once again, let's navigate back to the head itself. If you want to hide it, just click on the I button. This is the hide or show objects function. And basically for the dropped object, which is going to be this one, you can delete it by just clicking on this trash bin icon, and basically you are good to go. That's how easy it is to do. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.